The second round of defense in your immune system is called the adaptive immune system. And adaptive immune cells are mostly B cells and T cells. Both are useful in helping to not only get rid of an existing pathogen, but also in creating a memory of how they fought it so they can do it again quicker if they ever come across the same threat again. MHC2 is the complex that's responsible for binding to a specific antigen and matching it to the receptor on a T cell, which then activates it. In the case of normal T cell activation for small-scale infections, only the T cells with perfectly matching receptors are activated, which creates a controlled response to that one pathogen that's invaded your body. Typically, this process is highly specific to the single antigen initially detected, which activates way less than even 1% of your T cells. Super antigens are unusual because they can bind non-specifically to MHC2 and the receptor on a T cell. This creates a bridge-like connection between. Essentially, the superantigen binds to a common structure on many different T cell receptors. The superantigen doesn't need to be presented in a specific way to a specific T cell like a normal antigen, so many T cells can be activated all at once. This results in upwards of 20 to 30% of T cells activating, which is way more than your body is used to. Keep in mind, normally T cell activation is a good thing. It helps target the pathogen your body needs to get rid of and save some memory away for later. However, when this process gets hijacked, like described above, it can create a massive response that does way more harm than good. Once activated, it's the T cell's job to create small chemical messengers called cytokines. These little proteins are pro-inflammatory signaling molecules that help coordinate immune responses in inflammation to eliminate a pathogen. That's right, despite what you might think, inflammation is normally a good thing. It helps remove invaders and promotes healing. With toxic shock, however, instead of being a helpful process, the overwhelming number of active T cells releases a cytokine storm, which results in a misdirected immune response. Watch the next video to learn how this normally helpful process gets dysregulated and goes over the top, promoting inflammation throughout the entire body.